Hello, hello. Hi, everyone. How you guys doing today, huh? How's everybody doing? Pretty good, eh? Pretty good, pretty good. All right, so let's get to it. You know what? That fucking bot call, the big bot call, fucking awesome. You know what happened? I just finished teaching a class and I looked at my phone and there was a bot call and it was just like a little bit before. I think it was just a few minutes before. I didn't even look at the time. It was just a big bot call. I logged into Mex. I took a quick peek at my chart. Then I'm like, all right, logged into Mex, and I took a short on that right there. I went short again. Okay, so today I really wanted to short, but there was a lot of shit that was kind of fucking with my head. Do you get what I'm saying? Right? So I was long at one point, didn't work out, and but I wanted to be short, and I tried to short, but today, I don't know, it was just, you know what happened today? I was letting a lot of noise from the market, a lot of noise get to my head, and that usually isn't the case. I usually just play the chart. So today, I don't know. Today, there was just a lot of noise, and I knew because my chart was telling me exactly what the case is, right? So anyway, let's get to it here. This ganja chart, I gotta upload a new one. Hold on. My chart is called ganja. Okay, anyway, I ain't got no ganja here. I'm gonna have to wait till Christmas for some ganja. All right, when I go back home to Canada. For the holidays. Now, let me just show you what we're dealing with over here, folks. All right. Now, if you take a look at this, I'm gonna get right to it. I'm gonna start with the price action first. This trend-based fib, it's been on here. I drew it from where did I draw from? Fuck, where did I draw from? I forgot where I drew this fucking fib from. I think I used this 1, 2, 3 anyway to draw this fib. Now here's the thing, this fib has been working very well, okay? It's been working very well, okay? I could clean up my chart later and tell you exactly where I drew it from if anybody cares. Now here's the issue. What do I got here? It's been working very well. Now I'm not a fib trader. I just run it in the background just as an idea. But this tells me, right, that this is a support right here at 7439. Okay, if 7439 breaks, oh boy. Am I right? Am I reading this right? Oh yeah, I'm reading it right. That's 7439, okay? If this 7439 breaks, the next support is 3465. So give it enough time and you will see 3465. Okay? If that breaks, of course it's going to require some patience. Okay? It's going to require some patience. Now here's the thing, guys. Everything has changed from 24 hours ago. Why? Broke below the support line right here. Okay, and you guys remember in one of my other streams, I rolled it back. Do you guys remember me explaining? This white line right here? Do you see this white line? Remember we redrew this GANFAN live on the stream, and repositioned it, and then we looked at this. We looked at these lines, and I looked at this right here, right? And I said, look, if this is fucked. Yeah, I remember that. It was just in the last week, in the last couple days. It was probably on Monday. Fucking shit. Anyway, 24 hours ago, this was supposed to be headed up and out of this pivot high resistance, and I was thinking we're going to go bullish. Clearly, that is not the case anymore. It wants to break down. Why? I guess it's easier to break down, isn't it? There'd be a lot less pressure. And the whales would make more money if they just dump on everybody, while the exchanges would make more money if they just dumped on everybody. They'd make money on the way down, and then they'd be able to pick up everybody's BTC for cheap. accumulate for a month or whatever, or however long they want sideways, and then bring it up and make money all the way up and get everybody to buy back in. Doesn't that make more sense? I think that makes more sense, okay? So let's be practical here. Anyway, I got my short running, and you know what? Thanks to Big Bot and thanks to Tech, for the Big Bot, because it got me the short entry right before this big fucking red thing, all right? And yeah, okay, so what? My chart was telling me to short, but to be honest, I could have listened to my chart and done it to the T and stayed short. But I listen to a lot of noise in the market. But like, you know what? One thing I don't like is like no one's saying, yo, thanks Tech for the big bot call. That was fucking sick. What the fuck? Come on, guys. Everyone's all burnt up. Well, like, I'm not saying everyone, but like a lot of people are in their feelings and shit because they took a long call. And yeah, it's a fucking, it's a scalp. That was a scalp bot. I mean, there's a risk associated with that. You guys shouldn't be putting like 1 to 5 BTC on a scalp bot trade. Like, I mean, I don't know how much you guys are leveraging, but shit, that's not something I would do. But anyway, again, it's your money. You guys got to manage it. And so what if you take a loss once in a while? It's going to happen. Everyone's going to have losses. Just keep your winners 3 times higher than your losses and you'll be all right. It's kind of hard to do. You got to have a strategy for that. But if you're just on the internet, blindly clicking the buy and sell button, right? It's going to be hard to keep your money, right? Because as Tech said earlier today, is that trading is designed to take your money, not to make you your money. Okay, let's get to it. So again, I just told you guys what I see right there, just off of this fib, okay? And now, what do I see? Let's. This is the 4 hour. Is that right? Is this the 4 hour I want? Yikes! Look at this piece of shit. Whew. Yeah, I just zoomed in. This is actually my 1 minute chart, guys. This is my 1 minute chart. All right, I just had it zoomed in. Zoom. Okay, hang on. Okay, now minor support, next minor support is right here at 7334. Break 7334, like break 7334 to 7100, and you're going down. Where are we going down to? Right here. 69.79. You could be at 69.79 in like fucking 24 hours. Like you could be there real quick. Okay, let's put something there. We're gonna put it there, okay? Fine, we'll put it there. Okay, 69.80. That's where we're gonna put this because this is just coming down, okay? This is just coming down. This is looking at the price action right there. So there's some support there around the 69, 6800, but nothing big, all right? Now, here's the thing. I'm gonna put that there. Okay, 69.89, and we'll call this support 73.39. So again, this is all short term, lower time frame. Now, if you're in this trade, to be honest, your stop over here at 7,700. Your stop at 7,700 would be technically okay, but they could bring it right up here to the middle if they wanted to do a stop hunt. They could bring it right up here. So anyway, I'm writing no stop on this trade. I'm just gonna leave like the account I have the trade on, I have this trade on, just like let the trade ride till whenever the fuck it's gonna go. So that's what I suggest too. If you guys took the short, just let your account ride on the short. And if you got to do some trading, open another account or another 2 accounts or whatever it is, and do your trading over there. Yeah, so that's what's happening. So your stop for this short, like a loose stop would be above 79.80. Okay, a loose stop, and a tight stop would have to be right above here. It would have to be above 76.70. Okay. That would be a tight stop for this if you want this to run. And next place it's going is 73.46 and then 69.80. Now, what's going to happen below 69.80? Well, let's not get there right now, okay? First of all, let's go check up let's go check up our charts here. All right, now this is the 11:11 1 minute. Okay, what's happening to the 11:11 1 minute? This EMA is just coming down, 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 down. Now, let me tell you something really fucking cool. Okay, I'm not gonna tell you right now. Hold on. Okay, now this is just coming right down. Do you see it? It's just squishing it. Okay, now the 6 minute is just look at that. It is just jammed. And the EMA is still up here. Do you see that? Okay. Now, here's my issue. I'm not even going to look at the other ones. Looking at the 11:11 is enough. Now, here's the deal, guys. This is a 6 minute 11:11. Now, here's my suggestion for myself. I don't give financial advice, obviously. I'm not a financial advisor. But what I see for myself is that this has a lot of room to run down. Is it going to wick up? I don't know if it'll wick up because it seems that somebody wants to bring the price down. Right? I don't know. Let's wait and see. So anyway, I am not going to long this. Even if this EMA comes down and touches the minus 69.81 and it gives a long signal, you guys could go for it. I'm not going to go for it. Before I try another, I don't care about catching the bottom, to be honest with you. Why? In my experience, every time I've tried to catch the bottom, I've lost money. Do you get what I'm saying? I've always lost money whenever I try to catch the bottom. So I'm being totally upfront there. So actually, I would prefer to actually let this, if this is trying to make a long call, I'll let it go have a run. And when it comes back down, I'll long it after. Why? I'll let everybody else be the test dummies. Do you get what I'm saying? I want to get in when I know that, okay, it's safe. Do you get what I'm saying? That's what I'm trying to say here. So that's just, this is just a lesson I'm implementing right now from experience because I want to keep my money. Okay? I'm a greedy guy, but I want to keep my money. So anyway, right now, I'm only looking at the Williams. I'm not looking at other shit. I'm not looking at Ellers or whatever, okay? Why? I'm trying to cut out noise. I'm trying to keep it simple, and I know this works. Done. Period. Okay? And I got my GAN fan as well. All right? And GAN fan is ready to let this take a shit. Okay? And if this takes a shit from here, like from here, oh my God, it's going right to 69.80. And if it's that violent drop from 69.80, you better believe it's going to just fucking keep going. Right now, people are in disbelief. Okay? As I said yesterday, this is reminiscent of the drop from 6K. Okay? It totally is, in my experience. And nobody believed that it would happen. Now, here's the deal. This is what happened. I was playing that drop from 6K. And this is what's going to happen. If this is like the drop from 6K, you see this Williams and the RSI lines and all that shit, they're going to stay down. Do you see that this is going to stay down? It's going to flatline and it's going to like be dying like squiggly, like shit like that. And the EMA too, everything is just going to be fucking jammed. The MACD is going to do some like squiggly, wiggly shit that you've never seen before, that a lot of you might not have seen before. That's how you're going to know we're going to 3K, if it's going to happen, okay? You'll see that. And you'll see that, look, there's going to be no relief bounces. Anybody looking for relief bounce, yeah, good luck, okay? Don't you guys dare. Don't you guys dare long anything, all right? I highly suggest that if you want to hold on to your money, don't long anything, okay? Let this EMA come down on the 6 minute. Let there be a long signal. Let it go make one full run, come back down. Have some fucking patience. Let it take however much time it's going to take, and you won't lose money. Do you get what I'm saying? Right? You won't lose money. You'll let other people be the test dummies for the shit. Why? Because people are just going to get fucked trying to long this, and you already know that. What makes you think that you're going to find the exact entry time? Well, I'm kind of working on something, but I mean, I'm still working on it. That's the thing. Okay, so that's the deal. Next stop, this is headed to 69.80, and now what do I got here? Okay, I see that you guys are having some issues with lag. Okay, it's lagging as I'm like a motherfucker, right? Okay. Guys, I can't see the chat. Yeah, I can't see the chat. So if it's lagging, I will upload it again. All right, I will upload it so you guys can watch. All right, let me post this up there. Let me just post this. Okay, supports. I won't long. Sorry, guys. I just took a screenshot of this and put it there. Okay. Now, let's check this out. This chart here. What does this tell me? Here's the deal. This chart is at the bottom. Okay. Anything lower, and it's gonna break into another range. Okay, what range would that be? Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Wow, let's take a look. Holy fucking shit! This is going to right here. Fuck. 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 Hold your fucking shorts. Holy shit, guys. This is going to 3,500 next. It's going right back to the bottom. Hold your shorts. Holy shit. Fuck. Hold on a minute. I gotta post this because... Okay, there you go, guys. There you have it. Okay. Now, here's what I want to show you. This is my new shit. Okay, and I'm trying to tell you. Look at this. What I'm trying to tell you is that on my new shit, all of the lower time frames have bottomed. Do you understand that? All of the lower time frames have bottomed. There's nowhere lower for them to go. But when you go into the bigger time frames, like the 12-hour. Okay, like the 12-hour, there's room to run down. Look at this, okay? If you don't believe me, here you go. There's your evidence, okay? Here's your run up, okay? And here is the fucking chart, okay? This run up was massive. This one was not massive. Okay? Do you see that? Bang, bullish, 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 dump. Up, bullish, bullish, bullish. No, sorry. Dump. Okay? Dump. So if you got in on this fucking short, hold it until hold it. Just hold it until 4K, dude. Holy shit. Yeah, it's going to be a ride. It's going to get there, though. Wow. Holy shit. 100% it's happening. Okay? 100% it's happening. 100%. Give it some time. Give it some time. It's happening, okay? It is happening, and you got in your short at such an ideal place. Okay? If this just knifes down one more leg, holy shit. These shorts, this whole group here is going to be so safe. Which group is that? Yeah, all of this 8,400, all of this is going to be so safe if they just knife it down. How much is it here? Okay, they're going to need to knife it down below 6,600. Yeah, below 6,600, all of those, right? That's the support I got here, right here. Once it's below 6,600, all of those shorts are pretty much safe. Okay, now on the move down, okay, that's the move down. Now, folks, what I want to look at is last November. Oh, shit, motherfucker. What happened? That was that. The last oh, shit. Guys, will you look at this? This level right here at 69.09. This level. What happened at this level last time? Dropped from 6K to 3K. You are about to re-experience the drop from 6K to 3K. So they might just knife it, or you might get some sideways, but from the looks of it, they want to knife it, okay? And again, this is a 12-hour chart. So if you have balls, then hold it, okay? You're short. Again, if you're going to open a short, holy shit. Guys, do you remember this fucking prediction that I did? Holy shit. Wow. Okay, I guess I have to go through this again with you. Okay. Now, that is fucking insane. Okay, that is insane. Now, Stark wants to know, can you open fresh shorts? Hey, you can open a short with a stop above 76.70. Okay? 76.70 if you want to take the risk. Okay? 76.70. Short with stop above, let's say 76.70. That would be a tight stop for a short opened here. Okay, 76.70. Okay, so sorry, I was just getting back to some comments in Discord. So if you want to open a short here, yeah, it's kind of late. You're late to the party, right? Right? You're risky because you're late to the party until. There you go. Okay, so that's the deal. If you're going to open a short here, you got to have a short with a stop above 76.70. Okay, real clear. Okay, real clear. That's the deal. If you're going to be opening a short here. Okay, now that's yo guys. This is some fucking mind blowing shit. Okay, now yo, that's some mind blowing shit, and that's what I got for you. Okay, so exactly what I said. It's a fucking short drive. Okay. It's a short, and there is no way in hell, no way in hell it gets over 86.46. No way. I don't see that. It doesn't matter how much, what you got. It doesn't matter, okay? This is going to be a drive right down to there, and they could, you want to see something cool? You see these knives? Bang. You see these? You think these can't happen again? Oh, they can happen again. You just haven't seen them. Right? Absolutely. Right? But you never know. So let's wait and see. Okay? Now, if it gets over 89.29, it's bullish. Okay? Good luck with that. All right? So people calling 11K and shit? Yeah, right. Okay? Now, again, I want to emphasize here that 6397 is support. Below 6397, you're going to go to 3556, okay? Now, here's the deal. Here's the deal. What else do I got to go over with you? Now, do you guys want to go over this again? Is this my chart? Where's the chart? Which chart is that? Which did I delete all that shit? Please don't tell me I deleted that shit. Please don't tell me I deleted the Is this a chart? Yeah. This is my chart. Hold on. Let me get into 12-hour mode on this motherfucker. Alright. Oh shit, man. I forgot even what time frame this was. Oh my god. Alright. Now, if y'all want to know my bearish bias, what the fuck? Come on, TradingView. Don't fuck with me like this. What time frame did I used to trade? I used to trade the 15-minute or what? I used to trade the 15-minute. Yeah. That's better. Okay. That's just crazy. Maybe it was this chart. Was it this chart? Okay, let's check out this 4-hour chart. Okay, 4-hour chart don't lie. Okay, 4-hour chart, same thing, 70.86. You're going to get 6,400, and then it's going to go down. Bang, that's it, okay? Your support is really down here. This is fucked. Okay, that's fucked. So play the 12-hour. Your stops, I believe stops over 8,400 are super safe right now if you're playing the 12-hour. But this level is about to break. Once it's below 71.28, oh, it's going to be a party for these guys. They're going to be very happy. And another thing I noticed here is that if you check this out, it's kind of cool, is that the drops from this purple line have been very good. Violent drop. And now we're back here in the same area. This could be a very violent drop, okay? It's going to be a solid 4 hours. Now, what's my 4-hour RSI saying? Okay, not RSI, Williams. That's kind of weird, eh? The 4-hour Williams put a bounce up, but what did it do? Nothing. Okay? It's dead. It's die time. Okay? That's what I got for you guys, okay? I'm trying to find this chart. I had a fucking chart. I just can't find which time frame it was on. Or yeah, it was this one. Was it this one? Was it? No, it wasn't this one. No way. You know what happens sometimes? I have ideas and I give up on them. And that's what happened in this case, I think. I'm trying to find a chart. Just can't find my chart. Ah! Here we go. Here we go. This is the chart. This is the chart. Is this the chart? Okay. No, it's not the chart. I'm trying to find this fucking chart. Maybe it's my TechBot chart. Yeah, it's my TechBot chart. Pretty sure it's this one. Oh yeah, this is the Berkshire Hathaway. Oh, I remember. Maybe I did it on Bitstamp. That's what happened. Okay, hang on. I got a chart that I want to share with you guys. I just got to find out which exchange I did it on. Okay. And I need a minute. Yeah. This is the chart. This is a chart I want to show you, okay? Now, since you guys are familiar, a lot of you guys are familiar with the GAMFAN. Now, let me go over my idea with you, okay? I posted this a long time ago. Okay? Now, just considering what's happened, I'm going to go through this with you guys. Let me just make sure my stream is still up. Okay, is it still up? Okay, I got one person watching. Why? Because it's so laggy, right? Okay. Now, here you go. Check this out. I'm going to keep it real simple. Okay, I'm going to keep it real simple. Why is this shit like this? Why can't I have to go to like a 12 hour or what? There you go. Okay, so here's the deal. This is the bottom here. It's kind of zoomed out, but I drew GAMFAN from the pivot low in January 2015 before this bull run up. Okay, and yeah, it came off the GAMFAN, but then it played the GAMFAN all the way up. Do you see it? All the way up. It played the GAMFAN perfectly. Do you get what I'm saying? And it rejected below the 1 to 3 green line of the fan. Okay. Then what happened is that the price topped right there, all-time high. All right. Then it came down. Now you see this line here. Which line is this? This is the 8 to 1 line. Okay. From the pivot high. So then what happened? From the pivot high, drop. Then as soon as, now this is cool, guys. This is really cool. As soon as it dropped. This is last year, bottom, sideways, and then it creeped up the 8 to 1 line, and it went bullish. Okay? Do you see that? Okay? Do you guys see that? Now, let me show you something cool. All right. Now, this here, this blue line was, do you see this blue line? This blue line is the 1 to 1 blue line from the pivot low in 2015 before the big bull run. Do you see it? As soon as it got over, it went bullish. Bounce, bullish bounce, down, bullish bounce. Rejected, bear, bear. Do you see how that worked? That line's from 2015, okay? Sorry, I should change that from the pivot low in December. Fucking trading view. In December 2015. So this is just one of my projects, this chart. And I posted a long time ago and people thought I was an idiot. Well, maybe people thought I was an idiot. All right, so what happened is now on this run up from the summer, it got over that blue 1 to 1. Okay? just briefly, and then it came down. It rejected, it rejected. Now look here. What is this line right now? This here, folks, is the red 2-to-1 from the pivot high in the summer. Okay? Now, what happened here? Now, one more thing I want to point out. Do you see this blue 1-to-1 from the December 2015 bottom? Since it couldn't stay above there. It didn't become a bull market. Right? That's what happens. It needs. I always say that if it's not above the blue 1-to-1, don't long. Right? Why? Because it's not bullish. Now, what's happening here is that, what did I write? The price is broken below. It did break below the red 2-to-1, right from the pivot high, right? And but then it came over. At the time, it had broken low. But what did I say? Now that's the red 2-to-1 from the pivot high. If it breaks below, it's coming right down to this line right here. Do you see that? Okay. It would come down to this line. Now, what did I say here? This is my issue here, guys. So the next support I have here is this red 1-to-1 line that is around 5,700. Okay? Below that, I have 4,075. Okay, and then below that we got 3,053. But the problem here is that this fan just kind of moved. It moved slightly, but it needs to get below here. It needs to get below 3K to go bullish. Okay, so this line right here. Do you see this line? There's this line right here. The price needs to get below that to go bullish, to go to a new all-time high. Okay, it needs to go there. All right, so what did I say? If this were hit right now, well, if it were hit today, the support would be about $1,500. Okay, so BTC needs to go below $1,500 before it can go to a new all-time high. Why do I say that? You guys have seen me draw. You guys have seen me give you examples of where we have a pivot low and then we draw a Gann fan, right? And then what always happens? What happens is this: is that the price will go follow the fan, go bullish, la-dee-dee-dee-da, break down, come try to climb up, and then what happens? It slowly loses strength, and then what happens? What do I always say? It has to fall off the fan. Okay, where's the 8-to-1? It has to fall off the fan before it can gain enough strength to make a new pivot up. Do you see what I'm saying? Okay, so that is what I believe that BTC is trying to do, and it is very, very light. So in order to go to a new all-time high, that is what BTC needs to do. It needs to fall off the fan. And where's the fan? It's at about $1,500. Okay, so it needs to do that before it can go to an all-time high. All right, or it needs to break out of the pivot high resistance. Which one do you think is more likely? Right? What do you think is more likely? It's very likely that they could create some FUD. Dump. Okay? And the support below this $1,500, do you know what the support is? Below the $1,500, right? This right here, it's about $688. And then from $688, it's pretty much nothing. Okay, so if you see BTC between $1,500 to $700, you might want to buy some, because you could become very, very rich according to Gann fan theory. Okay, so now here's the deal, folks. If you guys are thinking that 3K is going to be the bottom, then fine, I'll let you have your little party. But it is if that's going to happen, it is most likely going to do a smaller move up than this one. Okay? A smaller move up and dump. Okay? What makes you think it's going to get to 3K and then push above the 8-to-1 resistance? It's going to require a lot of power for that. Could happen. But hey, what's more likely first? Let's wait and see. I can't predict that far. So anyway, I'm short right now, and that's what it is. Okay, that's what it is. Are there any questions? Are there any? Hold on, I think Promo Crypto is typing something. Maybe he's got a question. Can I make it drop more? Hell yeah. Let me go dump all my BTC on you fuckers. Oh my god. I wish. Okay. Let me see. I'll give you guys about another minute if you got questions. Type them in Discord. I can't see your questions in chat for some reason. Guys, you know I'm streaming from China, and it's extremely hard to do anything from China over a VPN because they keep blocking every VPN connection. So I'm like always trying to hunt for new VPNs and shit. We got Mr. BAP, Mr. BAP typing something, so I'm just going to give him a moment to type that. Would I reload my short in a bit of a retrace? To be honest, I don't like to reshort and relong and all of that shit. Okay, unless the Williams indicator has fully resetted, then that's a different story. If the Williams indicator calls a long or a short, yeah, I'll take it. But this is how I'm playing it. What I'm trying to do is I'm gonna let this short ride on this account that I've got it on, and then I'll be trading from another one of my accounts. So I'm not gonna touch this short. I'm just gonna let it sit there. So it's more of a patience thing. Okay, it's a patience thing. So to be honest, like I said, we have not yet gotten the drop. The drop is not in. And what I mean by the drop is not in, I'm talking about on the 12-hour chart that I just showed you. The drop is not in. We are still about to experience last year's drop from 6K to 3K. We're still about to experience that. Relatively speaking, it's going to happen whether somebody likes it or not. And fucking, you want to talk about gaps and shit, or you want to talk about anything, I mean, yo, you can't fucking it's just really hard for me to argue with this fucking piece of shit chart. Can you argue with that? That is the bottom, that is the top. We are not going to the top, okay? Can you argue with that? Like, seriously? Like, I could give this to an idiot and he could, I mean, you get what I'm saying? This chart here, when it's up here, is bullishly consolidating. Dump. Bottom, 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 bottom. Do you see that? It's going for a bottom. It's not at the bottom yet. It's going lower. There you go, okay? Yep, it's gonna dump. I already told you guys. Okay, wonderful. No more questions. Fantastic. Glad I could be here. Whoa, 74-17. Dump like a motherfucker, like I told you to dump. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, very good. You guys are gonna get some good sleep tonight. Okay, those fucking shorts over right now. Shorts over. Yeah, about 76. What is that? Yeah, shorts over here above 7,800 are pretty safe right now. Yeah, they're pretty safe, yo. Wow, enjoy the ride. Wow, we're doing this shit live. Holy shit, yo. Tech, man. This guy Tech, his oh my god. Wow. Begin the ride to 3K, fellas. I'm going to mark it right there. Okay. Put it right there, right up. Bang. I'll write a buck. Short target. Have patience. Okay, fantastic. Okay, this account is going to be swimming in money. All right, fantastic. Okay, fantastic, fantastic. All right, fellas, that's what I got for you. Wonderful. Hope you guys are all making profit. And yo, don't forget, like, honestly, yo, people, shit, you know what? We got something really special here. It's really special. All right. So tomorrow is Thursday, and Thursday will mark 1 week that we've made the psychiatric center our home. So really, thank you guys for being here, and